Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today I'll share with you a juice recipe and it's gonna be a fruit and vegetable mixed juice. The ingredients are all here so you can already see what I'm gonna use. It's full of vitamins and minerals and most of all it's gonna boost your immune system. My chopping board is ready and I'm gonna start with carrots. I would say it's a carrot based juice recipe, and carrots are very healthy. It helps your body build antibodies that defend your immune system. Next, I'm using pepper. Now, I have here a red one, but you can go with yellow, orange, anything that you can get your hands on. What you want to make sure is you take all the seeds out because this is a juice, you don't want any of the seeds. So the best thing is to cut out this part of it and then it will be easier to de-seed it. I'm just gonna do some rough chops, but you also want to make sure that the white bits are out because they tend to be a little bit bitter plus the seeds. It's very easy and peppers again have a lot of vitamin C and really good for your health. I'm gonna set it aside. It's just rough chops because I'm going to use a food processor, so I don't need to chop them any smaller. Next is orange, and carrot and orange juice is a classic combination. They both bring sweetness to the drink and both has a lot of vitamin C. So why not combine them? So all I'm doing is taking the skin off and that's it. All the ingredients that I'm using for this juice are rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps build up your immune system. Anyways, the next ingredient is ginger, and we are gonna use it raw. So what I'm doing is I have taken another knife, a fresh knife, and I'm going to take around an inch of ginger, and all you gotta do is take a spoon and then just scrape out the skin. That's it. It's really helpful if you can have ginger raw, and making juice out of it is the best way to consume ginger. So just peeling it and then I'm gonna put it on the food processor and it will be really simple. Now, how much ginger you want to use it is up to you. I prefer to use an inch to 2 inch of ginger for this amount of juice. The last ingredient on my list is lemon. I'm using one lemon, and what I'm doing is just cutting it into half, and then I'm gonna just check if there is any seeds inside because you want to de-seed them. And I'm very lucky today because this particular lemon doesn't have any seed at all. It's a bit worrisome. Anyways, I'm not gonna put this lemon on the juicer, but I'm gonna prepare it and leave it aside. Okay, I have a juicer at home and it makes it really easy if you have a juicer. Otherwise, you can use a blender and then you have to strain it. Putting all my fruits and vegetables inside. It's a small quantity. It's going to make around 2 glasses of juice, not much. But I like to put a bit of this and a bit of that so that it juices easily because carrots are hard and orange is soft, so it's better if you combine them. See, my juice is almost ready and I love to have the juice at least once a week because it's really good for my health. This juice is very helpful for kids as well. I have a 2-year-old toddler at home and I give it to him and he loves it because it's very sweet because both carrot and orange plays a vital role in making this juice sweet. So I'm going to pour it in my glass now. It's all ready and I'm going to consume it now. This is my glass and I'm also going to pour another glass for my toddler. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching this and I really hope if you liked it, you're going to make it at home and have something healthy. Take care everyone and bye for now.